Well, your 11 Alive storm trackers have been tracking what was Tropical Storm Olga yesterday. Didn't last very long. Formed yesterday in the Gulf and then was deemed to be post-tropical by 11 o'clock last night. I'm meteorologist Samantha Moore, and we watched that moisture merge with a frontal system. So there you can see when it was a tropical storm, then it became post-tropical, and it just came right up along a frontal boundary. And that's why things have been so gray and miserable today and rainy. And that's also why we have a threat for storms out there, for some severe storms isolated in nature. So that means we won't see widespread coverage of severe storms. We'll likely see showers and thunderstorms with an isolated severe storm possible. And the main problem we think is going to be gusty damaging winds as we head into the overnight hours. So it will be a little rough going late evening into the early morning. And then tomorrow, chance for general thunderstorms off to our east. That threat for severe goes over to the Carolina coastline. So it moves out of here pretty quickly. So we're looking at temperatures very warm today. Did you notice kind of how sticky it was because it was so humid and tropical? That was part of that tropical air mass. 75 was our high, 67 our low. That was above the average of 70 and 51. And we are still behind in rainfall. We really haven't picked up much at the airport today. We still can, though, before all is said and done. So storms late evening into early morning tonight, and then clearing out on our Sunday after some morning fog. There may be some low clouds and fog to start tomorrow, and then we should clear it out. And then more rain as we head into next week. So we're watching as this frontal system approaches, and we have that tropical moisture out in advance of it. So late evening, more widespread showers, possible thunderstorms ahead of the front itself. Some of these could be strong to severe. We're seeing some of that in the modeling here east of Dalton, near Ellijay perhaps in the early morning hours, with some downpours stretching right through the center of town into Peachtree City. And then early morning, maybe some thunderstorms here from Duluth into Gainesville, stretching on up into Blairsville and Clayton. And then that shifts to the east in the middle of the night with the threat for severe mainly in northeast Georgia by that point. And then we start to see things clear out. Now, I think it'll be gray in the morning. Notice all the cloud cover here. This is at 8:30, but I think if you're heading out for early services, I don't think you need to bring your umbrella, but you probably need to leave yourself a little extra drive time if it's foggy where you are. If you get a little rain tonight, you'll likely have a little bit of radiation fog in the morning, and that just means, don't be scared of the word radiation, that just means if you have a lot of moisture on the ground, when the skies start to clear, you end up seeing some clouds basically form on the ground with 100% humidity. So limited visibility in the morning, and then we should see improving conditions for the rest of your Sunday. It looks really nice. Then Tuesday, the rain moves back in. Showers and possible thunderstorms. Same thing on Wednesday. We have breaks in the action from time to time, but it looks like it's going to have a pretty active 3-day period here. And unfortunately, that extends into Halloween. So right now for trick-or-treating, it's looking like we'll have widespread showers as we head through the evening. We also have a threat for some thunderstorms. Now, the timing is still quite a few days out, so this could change a bit. But right now, it looks like we will have a chance for showers and storms on Halloween, and then cold air rushing in behind it. Expect the winds to pick up in the next several hours. We'll have winds up around 26, 27 miles per hour, some gusts up to around 32 miles per hour as that frontal system pushes on through, and then things should start to calm down by early tomorrow morning as you head out the door. So it should be a pretty nice Sunday all in all. We'll end up picking up about ½ an inch to an inch and a half across northwest Georgia, right around ½ an inch in Atlanta as the front moves through. And then it looks like once we get to Tuesday, the rain starts to move in for a 3-day period, and we could be talking some spots in North Georgia picking up some really healthy amounts of rain. Some spots getting over 2.5 inches within the next 5 days. So we do need the rain. We need it for drought relief. We just hate that it comes over the weekend. So we're going to be clearing out on Sunday after tonight's storms. Nice on our Monday. Then storms return Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with a series of systems that'll be moving through. And then look how cold it is at the end of the week. Temperatures getting down into the low 40s by the time we get to Saturday morning. Brr.